I want to talk to you guys on how you can actually get 100% win rate, because it is possible. Today I'm hoping we can get a good trade for the people that just came in so they can either make some money. This first trade at Nas Longs right here. Now yeah, that's break even on that one. Come on, run this previous stays high for me. Yeah, I'm closing it right here.
Nah, I traded my live this morning instead of the challenge, bro, because I didn't know how to trade the challenge.
Did you get that one? Bro. It should give you a confirm page, unless you have like the one click.
Okay, I see.
You are in control 100% of your future with your daily habits. The one way you can win 100% of your trades is by doing this. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. We are back. Today is Monday and the trading week has begun. It's time to catch some trades. It's time to stay productive. It's time to actually get busy. We're being realistic. I hate the weekends. There's no trading I could do. It's not much I could do. My days aren't as filled. I enjoy the weekdays because I can have my full schedule. Having a routine and schedule is so important. And the fact that I can follow it Monday through Friday is beautiful. The weekends is a little bit unstructured, as you guys can see with the vlogs. But we're back. We're going to stay productive. And nonetheless, we're going to catch some trades with the team. The team is already live. We got about 22 people already live. Bro, the team is growing. We're at about like 80-something members right with VIP. 80-something. Crazy. And today, I'm hoping we can get a good trade for the people that just came in so they can either make some money or get that encouragement to keep going. Because a lot of new traders. And I'm trying to give you guys what you need to be able to succeed long term. And just remember, when it comes to trading, trading is beautiful because you can control everything. You can control how much you win, how much you lose, how many trades you take. You can control the reason you're taking the trades. You can control how long you're holding your trades. All of it. Everything's up to you. You lose as much as you allow yourself. You don't have to do anything you don't allow yourself to do in trading. You are in control 100% of your future with your daily habits. That's what's going to determine where you are 5 months, 10 months, 5 years, 10 years. Comes down to you. But with that being said, let's get to the computer. Let's get to the charts. Market over here already dropping. Goddamn, but look. We got 25 people already active. I told you guys, I don't get on the charts until 9:30, so I have Keno. Let's start the chats with everybody. So we about to get active. It's at 9:30. If we could hold this gap, this would be the first trade idea. Giving myself two, because it could drop. Yeah, I'm thinking I'm probably gonna take this first trade at Nas Longs right here, because if I don't really like, if it drops, then that's a trade idea I would rather take on 30. I'm thinking 30 points right here. Yes, sir. First trade idea, Nas Longs. Best case is to run the previous day's high, but I'm just looking for a 1 to 2. Risking about 500. Yeah, that's TP1. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, goddamn, that shit start going. Nah, yeah, that's break even on that one. That shit, I told you, the intuition, bro. The intuition. I don't know why it's moving so fast. Just go to TP2. I'll take this shit off. Let's see if we can get TP2. Now, yeah, I'm taking a partial on this one, too. I'm going to leave a small portion. That shit going. Yeah, I'm going to close 8 of them when it gets to TP2. Ooh! Yeah, that's 1100. I just closed it. I just closed most of it. Run this previous stays high for me. Yeah, I'm closing it right here. Yeah, I just closed it right there. What'd I say? Bro, Monday we came to the charts. We took one trade. The first trade idea I saw, the first trade that I felt in my gut, I was like, yeah, this looks like a good trade idea. I'm going to take it. That shit hit TP4. That shit flew. I took it off at about TP2, a little bit higher, because I risked about $500 on the trade, and I made about $1,200 right about there. It was a great trade. I had some people in the VIP catch the trade. Some people just watched the trade. But nonetheless, we had about 37 people there live. You know, it was a beautiful trade to start the week. It starts to, I can start risking profit. I could take 2 trades tomorrow, and I'll still be in profit for the week if I lose both of them. That's the position you want to put yourself in. You want to be able to risk your profits so that it feels better on your psychology. It's all psychological at the end of the day. You got to make sure you preserve your mental capital. And the way you can do that is by risking profit, because mentally you're thinking, I'm not going to necessarily lose money now. I'm only risking what I already made. Just for the day, I took one trade on NAS 100 and made $1,234. You can see the trade was $1,234, but the 2 trades was one partial and then the actual full trade. So that's why I counted 2 trades, and the average hold time was 12 minutes and 9 minutes. It was a fast trade. The commission overall was about $12, so it wasn't bad, and 100% profit on the trade because we won all the trades. We didn't lose no money. It's all dubs. So we're about to go to the gym, get productive, and get this workout, because how you do one thing is how you do everything. You can't be disciplined in one thing and not disciplined in everything else. How you do one thing is how you do everything. Like I said, we're at the gym. How you do one thing is how you do everything. This is gonna make you a good trader. People always ask, how do you become successful? How do you become a good trader? How do I get disciplined? It's with everything. You have to become a disciplined person, not a disciplined trader. You become a disciplined trader if you're a disciplined person. It leaks over. Imagine you have a glass, and you fill it with water. If you constantly fill it, it's gonna constantly seep over, and you're gonna have so much water to the point where it flows over. And that's the same thing. If you're just constantly, who's FaceTiming me? Hold on, I gotta answer this business call.
Nah, I traded my live this morning instead of the challenge, bro, because I didn't know how to trade the challenge account.
Did you end up one?
Bro, I traded my live instead of the challenge account because I didn't know how to trade TradingView on TradingView. I log in again, bro. I clicked the account like 7 times. I don't know where the fuck to buy in or sell from, bro. I'm like, where the fuck do I do this shit?
It should give you a confirm page, unless you have like the one click.
Okay, I see.
If you could have it as a one click. Like if you put it in the settings of TradingView, you can have it as a one click. But I don't have it as that. Yeah, probably. But if you do that, it'll give you the option like, oh, you could look at.
Started off with a crispy little dub this morning.
All right, I just answered the call. I was talking to Jenner, who's just trying to walk him through how to use TradingView, try to use TradingView, because he's now taking on a top step challenge. This is going to be his first top step challenge. So everybody that knows Jenner inside the VIP Trading Network, wish him luck. We're going to have a good week. We're going to try to get him to pass it, as always. But as I was saying, how you do one thing is how you do everything. Being disciplined in the gym is going to make you a disciplined trader. We'll just leave it at that. At the end of the day, just be disciplined in everything else, because it's going to leak over into your trading, and indirectly just make you a better trader, a more disciplined trader, more consistent, patient, and better successful person in general. So let's get to work. Let's get to this workout so we can get the rest of our day going. Now, you already know this wouldn't be an Andre Diaz vlog if there wasn't a car talk. This is where I have my best thoughts. This is where I have my best ideas. I had my ideas of starting the private inner circle, starting the VIP Trading Network, starting YouTube, all in the car and probably the shower. But we're not going to talk about that part of it. Right now, I want to talk to you guys on how you can actually get a 100% win rate, because it is possible. Other people say, no, you can't win 100% of your trades. But there's a way you can. And I'm going to explain to you guys what that is, because in reality, most people aren't going to get that 100% win rate. It's just not going to happen. They're not going to achieve that, because in reality, most people aren't going to be successful traders in general. So they're definitely not going to be able to get a 100% win rate on top of being able to beat the majority of other people. Let me get my seatbelt on. But the one way that you can go about it, the one way you can win 100% of your trades is by doing this. It's going to sound crazy, but by trading less. If you take one trade and win that one trade for the week, you have a 100% win rate for the week. Yes. Yeah. If you take 2 trades and win both of those, and those are the only trades you took for the week, you have a 100% win rate for the week. The trick for winning all of your trades is taking less trades, but you also got to keep in mind, the negatives are also going to be the same as the positives. If you only take one trade during the weekend as an L, you're going to have a 100% L rate for the week also. So it has its pros and cons, but if you understand your system, your strategy, and you have a plan for going about it, at the end of the day, it's just risk at the end of the day. That's all it is. Depending on how your strategy is, your system, whatever your percentage is that you're likely to win your next trade, the higher it is, the better you're going to be if you take less trades. Because if you have a 70% to 60% win rate and you're taking 1 to 2 trades a week, you're going to win more money than lose money. It's just simple as that. It's just simple numbers. It's a probability game. If you win 60% of the trades, you're going to lose 40%. But if those 60% that are winning are 2 to 3 times bigger than all of those losses, if you're only taking 1 to 2 trades a week and you're stopping when you win, you're going to have that high win rate that you're looking for. It is possible, but you got to understand, it's not going to be, you're not going to get it the way you want to. You're not going to win every single trade taking 100 trades a day. No. The more trades you take, the higher chance that you're going to take a loss. So if you want a higher win rate, you simply have to trade less. And that's how you're going to get it. Simple as that. But I'm about to go get to my location. And then when I get back to the crib, I'm going to be going over you guys about this data sheet that I'm going to be doing, because just like all good things, if it's not measured, it's not managed. And not even in just trading, I'm going to be making a data sheet for one of my other businesses, because this month of March I've been able to take 2 different businesses from $0. Well, the one business was making $150 a month, and now it is at $2,700 a month. And I went and took another business that was making $121 a month, and this month is at about $900 for the month. So we're getting to the point to where I'm gonna need to start tracking all the stats, tracking all the data, so I can figure out what I need to improve on, what I need to take away, give away. You know how it is. The same things that it comes to trading when you're trying to implement a new strategy, implement a new system, and you're trying to get that higher win rate, you're trying to figure out what your strengths and weaknesses are in the business. It's the same thing that I got to do with every other business. That's why I tell you guys, I love trading, because if you can become a successful trader, it's going to be able to make you a successful person, a successful businessman, and woman in general. But I'll see you guys when I get to the crib. We still got work to do. The day is still young. It's only 12 o'clock. The day's just getting started. So right now I'm back at the crib, and I'm looking at my data chart. I already made it. I did it in Notion. If you want to know where this is in, once I show you, it's in Notion. This is the same place that I have all of my trades. I have everything here. Notion is free. I recommend it. I'm not sponsored, but I'm gonna work on it. I'm gonna work on it, because at this point, probably bringing a lot of you guys to this amazing app. But I'm about to show you guys exactly what it is. But essentially, I made this data sheet to be able to track how many people for VIP I'm able to get to sign up a day, how much I'll make off that. I also have how many views on YouTube I make a day, because now I'm starting to get a little bit of traction. I may make $10 to $20 a video, and I want to be able to track that so I can figure out what's working, what's not working, and all that different stuff. When it comes to trading, I also have in here, I'm going to have how much I make for that day in trading, and then I'm also going to have how much it all is in total. Why is someone calling me now? Why does everyone keep calling at this time? I'm not answering this one. But let me get into this app and let me show you exactly what I did, because this is important. Measuring everything, being able to know how much money you made, being able to know why you made how much you did, why you didn't make more, why you didn't make less. You need to understand so that you can actually be able to improve. If it's not measured, it's not managed. Okay, so as you can see right here, I have the data sheet, and you can see it's money management. Everything is on Notion.com, as always, like I told you guys. But right now, this is essentially what it is. I have the date, and I'm going to be doing this for each week. So I have it like right now by itself, but I have how many people I sold for VIP. So I did this for yesterday, which was the Sunday of Easter, March 31st. I got 11 people to join VIP, and that's because I did a sale, so I was able to get a lot of people, and they all ate today. Just know that the people that signed up yesterday and caught today's trade, they ate. But I made about $350 off of that. And then on YouTube, I got about 4,554 views on YouTube, and it's not calculated. I was just trying to get the calculation for how much it would be. I was looking at it for the day before. So the day before on YouTube, I made $23, but I'm trying to do it for yesterday, but it's not updated yet. So I'm probably just gonna have to do that later. Yeah, for the yesterday, I got 50 subscribers. Like I said, the views that I got, but it's not updated. So I'm gonna have to put that in later. But yesterday I didn't take no trades, so there was no trades. So once I get the updated for the YouTube, I'll be able to add what it is. It'll probably be around 370, around there. And that's not bad, but this is something that's very important. I always tell you guys, you got to build businesses around what you already do so that it's working smart. You don't got to work hard to make a lot of money. You got to work smart. Be able to give value. Be able to change people's lives. Be able to offer people things that they're willing to pay for. People are willing to pay for VIP because there's value in it. I teach you, I educate you, I show you my trades live every single day, and I bring you to a community of people. I've built a community of traders that are trying to help each other, that are trying to build, that are on a mission to become successful. And that's why people join. There's value in it. If I just had VIP and I wasn't giving you guys no value, I wasn't catching good trades, I wasn't teaching you, nobody would join. It's as simple as that. It's just how the world works. And also the free course. The free course is exactly doing what I wanted to. I wanted to be able to teach you guys how to trade so that I can bring you into VIP so you can actually get the experience, because anybody can learn a system. Anybody can. But are you actually going to implement it correctly? No, you're more than likely not. And that's why you need the proper mentorship. You need the proper guidance while you're trading, because trading is a lonely game. Very lonely. You're going to go through everything alone, but you don't need to if you have a team behind you. But yeah, I just need to get this down because being able to track everything is very crucial. And I track everything when it comes to trading, but I wasn't tracking all these other businesses that I had because, if I'm being honest, they weren't really making much. They weren't really doing anything. I wasn't really having traction. I wasn't growing audiences. People weren't noticing me. So I wasn't able to get people to actually understand the value in it. But now that I'm getting a little bit of it, I want to make sure that I'm tracking it from the start. I want to be transparent with you guys on everything. That's exactly why I'm here. I'm being transparent because I'm showing you guys the journey of being an entrepreneur, the journey of being a trader, and what it's like. I'm only 21 years old, and I'm going to make $1 million by 22. I promise you that. I'm going to make $1 million by 22. You may not believe me, but when I'm 22, I'm either going to have $1 million in net worth or $1 million in cash. One or the other, but I'm gonna have $1 million by 22. Simple as that. Yeah, I'm going through the chat and everything. I'm going through VIP and I'm going through like the private inner circle, just looking at all the trades people caught for the day. And it looks like people actually had a pretty successful day when it comes to trading. It wasn't just me. They don't all trade the same things. Like I traded NAS 100 today. Some people traded US 30. Some people are like trading gold. We have a whole bunch of people trading different things, and this is just in the VIP trading network here specifically. We had Kino, he had some trade ideas, but he didn't actually catch it. We had Cortez for the day, he's up about 1,800. Yeah, everyone did pretty good, I ain't gonna lie. Today was a very successful day when it came to the trades. He caught some shorts on gold, it looks like. He caught some shorts on NAS 100, $1,252. Yeah, Josh, you did good today, Josh. Good work if you're watching this. Zai caught some shorts also. This is on S&P 500. He also caught the shorts on gold, it looks like. Yeah, today everybody ate, I ain't gonna lie. And then you can see my P&L. I caught the longs on NAS 100. Yeah, today was a great day, I ain't gonna lie. Great day with the team. And it wasn't just this. I also have everybody in the private inner circle that is doing their thing. But you guys are more than likely already in there, so I'm not gonna show you all that. Alright, end this video off. I just wanted to walk you guys through a little bit of a breakdown of why exactly I took this long right here. So this candle that I'm pointing at right here is the candle that ended up catching me the trade. You can see that at 10 o'clock after, price eventually dropped off. But if you're in the VIP trading network, you know where we got out. So essentially, if you look at this gap that's over here to the left, this is the daily open gap. This is also the weekly open gap. This is the gap that opened when price opened on Sunday. So this is where price closed on Friday. This is where it opened on Sunday. If you understand gaps, you will understand that the higher the time frame the gap is on, the higher the probability that you're likely going to get a reaction off those areas. So that is why I was watching this area right here when price traded into it at 9:30. Now, why was I watching it at 9:30? Because if you know about trading, if you know about volume, 9:30 on a pair such as NAS 100 is going to be very volatile. So with that volume, once price came into this area, I also saw that the previous day was also bullish. So if I'm following the trend of the previous day, I'm trading at the time I'm supposed to be trading, which is 9:30. What is my area? Am I either going to get in at a false break or a fair value gap? In this case, at 9:30, we were at a fair value gap. So that is what led me to take my longs. Now, I ended up getting out at a 1 to 2, and I left the runner to target this previous day's high up here. But in this case, price didn't reach that previous day's high. So that's why I'm very happy that I ended up just taking it at a 1 to 2 and took my $1,200 for the day. Because if I would have tried to hold it for that high, even though it got really close, it never tapped into it. So that was really just a trade idea. It was very simple. There wasn't really much complicated behind it. It was very much intuition when I took the trade. I just got to the charts, I saw what I saw, and I liked it. And this is where I'm going to end the video off. I appreciate you guys for watching. I appreciate everybody that signed up for the free course, everybody that signed up for the VIP Trading Network. I promise you guys, since you're giving me your time, I'm going to change your life. I'm going to give you the value. I'm going to give you the information that you need to actually achieve your dreams, to actually do what you need to. I can give you the information, but you still got to implement it. Just remember that. I can help you all I want. But until you put the work in, until you actively try to change your life, until you actually do the things required to get that success, to make that money, to be a better trader, to be a better entrepreneur, it's not going to happen. Until you change, you're not going to see no different results. I forget what the definition of insanity is, but it's doing the same thing, expecting a different result. Don't go insane. But with that being said, stay safe, stay productive. Make sure you join the VIP Trading Network if you're ready to change your trading and get to the next level. Make sure you get the free course if you just want to get started trading and learn what it is. But I'll see you guys next video, and I'll see you soon.